Good morning, respected viewers. Hope of that you all are well. Today is our discussion topic is inspiring story of Bill Gates. Hope of that you will enjoy. Hope of that you will enjoy my lecture. So let's start that. Start to know that who is Bill Gates, and as you better know, Jessica, as you better know that Bill Gates is the inspiring personality to all of you. Means to say that he is a rich person, and we also want to be rich like him. So we can say that his story is also very inspiring for all of you. So let's start know that who is Bill Gates and how he will able to achieve success. Okay, let's start that. Yes, success story of Bill Gates. Success story of Bill Gates. Yes, Bill Gates, born in 1955 in Seattle, USA. Bill Gates was born in Seattle, USA, showed interest in computer. Means to say, he has a very deep interest. He has very deep interest in computers at a very young age. At a very young age, means to say that whenever he he was in childhood at the time of means to say that young age, you have to say, in the from the childhood he has a very deep interest in computer. Okay, at just 13 he started programming and dreamed of making technology accessible to everyone. Means to say, he was only 13 years old when he has decided that he started programming. He started programming, and second one, he also dreamed. He also dreamed that he will able to make technology accessible to everyone. What a great dream he has. What a big dream he has. Okay, means to say that Bill Gates, Bill Gates is a great man because his dreams are very great. Okay, okay, let's start it. In 1975, he dropped out. Means to say, he has finished his he dropped out of Harvard University to start a software company with his childhood friend Paul Allen. Paul Allen was the childhood friend of Bill Gates, and he also dropped out from Harvard University to start a software company. Means to say that Bill Gates and his friend dropped his education, dropped from the Harvard University to to start his own company. Okay, to start his own company. That company became Microsoft. That company became Microsoft. You better know that what is Microsoft. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Now we are going to discuss about the root essence of the story. Means to say that here I have shared with you a whole success story of Bill Gates, and through which you have to given the description about their about Bill Gates' childhood, work, Bill Gates, Bill Gates story about success, about failure. Means to say that if he has become a successful person, it doesn't mean that he does not he has not faced any failure. He has not faced any difficulty. He has to face many difficulties, many challenges. He has to face many difficulties as well, but he faced with strong ambition, but he has faced with strong determination, and he succeed. Okay, okay, I guess now we are going to the essence or root of the story. Okay, Yes, the beginning was not easy. Means to say that the beginning was not easy for Bill Gates. Bill Gates faced many failures, many criticism, and many challenges. Means to say that, but dear student, every person who want to fulfill his dreams, he has to face many many challenges. He has to face many many difficulties, but he has to stand. But he or she needs to stand. Okay, needs to stand, and you have to achieve firm determination. You have to achieve one day you will achieve firm determination, firm success. Okay. Yes. What is the fruit of hard work? Okay. By his 30s, Bill Gates became the youngest billionaire in the world. Okay. This is possible with the fruit of hard work. This is possible with the fruit of discipline. This is possible with hard work, untiring hard work. Okay, he dedicated most of his wealth to charity through Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, working to improve healthcare and education worldwide. This is the whole story of Bill Gates. This is the inspiring story of Bill Gates. Means to say that if someone wants to, if you and me, if you wants to secure your future, you have to do many many work hard. You have to do discipline. You have to follow the rules of discipline. As I also given the lecture about principles of discipline, golden principles of discipline. Um, Okay, okay. I want to conclude my lecture on the quote of Bill Gates. At the time, once time, he has to say that if you born into the poor family, it is not your mistake. But if you are die in the poor family, it is your mistake. What a great message! What a great message he has given to all of us, to all of you. He wants to say that you have to decide your destiny. You have to decide your aims or goals. If you want to achieve your goals, you have to do determination. You have to do struggle. You have to do discipline as well. Then you have to achieve your success. Hope of that you enjoy my lecture. Please subscribe if you understand something. If you understand that my lecture is very very informative or motivational to all of you, please subscribe my channel and please share with all your friends. Thank you.